In this video, I'm going to show you how you could connect your Housecall Pro account for the first time in just a few minutes. So we're going to click on Settings, and we're going to click on the Integrations tab under Account. And you'll see here, there's a number of different integration options you have, and we're going to click on Connect Now for the Field Service Management section. And that's going to give us a modal here that shows us a number of integration options. We're going to click on Housecall Pro. And before I click on this, I just want to note that we support all Housecall Pro levels of accounts. So you don't need to have the max account for Housecall Pro to enable the integration. I'm going to click Next. And we're going to follow this link to Housecall Pro, which is going to create an OAuth connection. You'll see here, authorize Ply to use your account. This application has access to read and write the organization's data, and we're going to authorize. Now that the handshake has been connected to your Housecall Pro account, we're going to select the primary warehouse. We'll choose the default one, and we'll connect Housecall Pro. And at this stage, you can actually invite your users. So if you have a number of users on your team that you want to invite right now, you can select their permission setting here from the dropdown. You do not have to do this step right now. You can always invite people later. I'm going to click Submit, Continue, and you've been connected. Now, there's a number of options here you'll notice once we're connected. First thing to note is you'll have a connection setting. So you'll see that we're successfully connected to Housecall Pro. And you can select your warehouse to synchronize your data. Below here, you can also enable your price book sync. This is by default turned off because some people don't want to connect their price book to Ply from Housecall Pro. And by enabling this, we're going to begin the process of syncing all of your price book data directly into the Ply catalog. By doing this, you'll have a bi-directional sync between the two. And when you make changes within Ply, it'll be updated within the price book. Or if you make changes within Housecall Pro, they'll be updated within Ply. I'm going to confirm this. And you'll see when you do this, there's some additional settings as well. So you can also sync material deletions. So what this means is when you delete an item out of Ply, it will also delete that item out of your price book within Housecall Pro. Some users don't want this to happen because some of the items within the price book within Housecall Pro are used for sales. And if you delete them within Ply and then delete them into Housecall Pro, this causes issues. We'll go ahead and toggle this one on. And let's go over to the catalog just to see how we're doing. We can see that we've successfully synchronized the data. It's going to prompt us. And you'll notice in the right-hand corner, there is a sync data Housecall Pro status. When this is turned green, this means that the status is connected and everything is up to date. When this is moving, you'll be able to see that it's syncing data. Now, with Housecall Pro, we sync data every 5 minutes or so. So one thing to keep in mind is if you're trying to push a job or get data back from Housecall Pro and you can't wait the 5 minutes, at any time you can come in here, sync the data, submit, and it will begin syncing either the jobs or the price book data, whatever one you choose. Give it a few minutes to sync. 1 or 2 is usually sufficient. And you can see that the data has been successfully synced. Your jobs data has also been synced when you make a connection with Housecall Pro to Ply. You'll be able to see the source as Housecall Pro here when those jobs are connected. And any changes that you make within a job, like adding items, adding tools, adding kits, will then be able to be transferred over into Housecall Pro under that jobs invoice. You'll notice here that there is a button that enables you to sync to invoice if this is showing that it's not synced as well. We hope this was informative, and if there's any questions about syncing Housecall Pro for the first time, please reach out to our customer supports team. They'll be able to help you in any way.